Good morning. My name is Allen David from Philippines. I'm the provision master in Icon of the Seas. So our division is inventory. So we have two sides, the hotel side and the food and beverage. So we are here now in my side, which is food and beverage. On the hotel side, disposables, cleaning supplies, uniform for crew, and some stuff like office supplies. But in my side, as you notice, it's food and beverage. So our big day will be the first day, which is the loading day. We load approximately 500 to 600 pallets per week. So it's around 22 to 23 20-footer container truck. And we need to load those pallets within 8 hours only. So we need to work fast and furious. That's why sometimes when I drive this, it's not here, pallet jack, they call me Vin Diesel. But I drive safe. I can drive fast, but first is safety. And then also, two cruises ago, it's raining. So we need to work more faster because I think 1.5 or 1 hour delay. They stop because it's raining. So after we load, we need to transfer them on different storerooms and steel pallet. After we transfer them, we have these ones, morning and evening. So chef or beverage team or other division, department buying from us. Like this is the supermarket of the ship. So in this ship also, we have this lighthouse project. Where before we usually store steel pallet, and those departments have their runners or in charge person to pick it up. But in this ship and Utopia, we also deliver door to door. So, like for example, that trolley, the supervisor will check, and then if it is good to go, and we will deliver it on their venues. And also, after we issue, we have also this cycle count or physical count. So for Class A, like meat, liquor, seafood, those items, we do it once a week. For beer, wines, soda, twice a week, and for the rest, it's once a week. But it depends if I see some or big balances from the storekeepers, so I need to do it weekly. Because that is the basis also for my orders. I'm the one also ordering, in charge for food and beverage. So the projection is 3 weeks. For example, not example, today is my deadline. Every Thursday. I submit my orders for today and it will come after 3 weeks. So my basis guest count and ages. If I have plenty kids on board, so I need to order more ice cream cone, pizza, burgers, hot dogs. So it depends. But sometimes it's challenging because the usage is not consistent.
Yeah.
Like last time, I still have full of water. And what I notice is my alcoholic beverage move fast. So they drink more alcoholic beverage than my water. So the water, that water 500 ml, every week we receive around 25 pallets. So that's maximum 50,000 bottles per week. But my lowest is, I think, 24. So half they use. So I need to adjust my order again.
Yeah.
So it's adjusting.
Yeah.
Also the beer. The Corona, 6,000 per week. But one cruise, I think 2 cruises also. They use only 1,200. Now I need to cut my orders. So I will show you some of our storerooms. And you can go inside.
Oh. О,
Холодильник, большой холодильник.
огромнейший. It's cold.
Water and white wine.
I see.
Just in case, for example, the supplier deliver bad quality item and we reject it, we can still have next port. We will just send email to our shoreside team, and shoreside team will coordinate with the local suppliers. And second option is other ship. For example, tomorrow we will make adventure. If I need something for the last day, if I run out or I'm running low, I can ask them, and they can also ask from me.
Okay.
Like he gave me a bunch of lists today.
Oh no, they run out.
They run out. So I need to help them, and then just in case they need to help me also.
Делает.
We help each other.
Что делает? Что если, допустим, он чего-то выпивает, какой-то суплай, еды или еще чего-то, завтра на в массовом порту будет Adventures of the Seas, то он у них может спросить, если у него остались, что они могут поделиться. И также Adventures of the Seas спрашивают этого, помогает следующего.
Что они делятся вообще?
Делятся.
Потому что это почитать это тяжело все.
Adventures of the Seas очень
Да.
много запросили в этот раз. Говорят, кушать. Не хватило еды.
So for Corona, 6,000, 10 cases every day for crew, approximately 10 cases. We can drink and chill, but we cannot be drunk.
Ната.
So how many of these have you on the ship, like this size, for all the drinks?
This is for beer and soda only.
Just soda.
How many of these rooms?
On deck one, we have red wine, white wine, cheese, and this one, 4. On deck 2, we have frozen mix, frozen meat, seafood, fruit, veg, and processed meat, 6. On deck 0, we have dry stone 1 and 2, Starbucks storeroom, liquor.
So you have quite a few.
And only this ship have these 3 decks for the storerooms.
Alright.
From Oasis class below, we have only 2.
Все ничего
It's
съели,
also
много
challenging when we
осталось.
load the pallets with these 2 rams. If one is not working,
Свет, не все выпили
big
еще.
problem for me.
Ну, там спрайт не пил.
Basically, you load in while you are out, and then you spend the next half day distributing or something like that. Yeah, okay.
So we load them, and then
В холодильнике мясо.
we have these galley helpers, like 1 storekeeper each, to help them pack. But usually it takes 2 days until we finish everything.
Wow.
We will go one more deck,
Какой длинный.
which is also below the sea level.
Okay.
Luckily, we don't have this transparent window, so we can see the whales finish. How I wish. Next is the gangway. Maybe 30 feet. Approximately 30 feet.
О,
Okay, choose. Well, the other one was the same too, because that's a casino. This is our bog, rice or what?
райс. Мука сладкая.
Just rice. Ice cream cone, they use approximately maximum 35,000 cones per week.
Для этих, для
Just kids, like,
мороженого стаканчики,
so they use this way.
варенье всякое.
So one thing I cannot be run out here, which is rice, because plenty crew will be on board. If no rice, they don't have power. There is no rice, no power. They will kill me if I run out of. Sorry, this is not rice. I give them nice rice, jasmine. That they are happy. Happy crew, happy host.
Jasmine rice. Видите, большой rice.
Да, хороший.
Да. Это для кру. Это если у меня риса не будет хватать здесь, мой став меня это
Съест, да?
съест вместо риса.
Рустер! Ха-ха. Пока хорошо, все хорошо, да.
Можно открою это сейчас быстренько?
They will see here
Чуть
the
попить,
order
чуть-чуть.
has been approved. Then that time they will. So this is a wicker box. Also category 14, which means flammable. Before, I'm a part of the startup team. I'm wondering, only in the ship, they have this small machine gun. Camera. So, why there's camera? But in my other ship, like Wonder, Brilliance, Symphony, they don't have. So, because this is category 14, it's flammable. They can monitor. And the ceiling here is too thick compared to the other side. And the wall.
Why is
This is category 14 or flammable storage.
Yeah. So what's the other ship since they don't have
что
camera?
алкоголь, оно
They have outside.
может подгореть.
360.
Здесь камера, и здесь 2 раза толще вверх и вниз, что если вдруг что-то загорится, что оно может быть внутри.
So no one is wearing 6 packet. So for my last storage storeroom I will show is one of our frozen, which is in deck 2. Okay. So these 2 rounds going busy day 1, up and down, up and down. The problem is if they pack it,
Здесь сделать фотографии.
one will go on deck, half will go on deck 2.
Да? Не получай?
Сейчас сказала мне.
А,